welcome back or welcome if you're new here. I have finally started my second year of graphic design. Today is my first day, it's Wednesday, and instead of going to college, I have online class on Wednesdays. This is how I seem to be organized, to be honest, because on Monday and Tuesday it was holiday, so it started on Wednesday. But, anyways, I will take you into my first 3 days of college as a graphic design student in second year. But anyways, I woke up at 7. I was planning on waking up at 6, but I slept so late because I was so nervous for today. So I woke up at 7, did some stretching instead of exercising because I didn't have really time to do exercising. And now I'm having breakfast, which is avocado toast with banana. But I will eat this breakfast, then have this class, and then I have a lot of things to do. First of all, I have to do some chores. I have to wash some dishes. I have to put the clothes in the washing machine and other things also. And then I have to go pay some bills and then afterwards come back and do some work. Some client work and some college work and all that. But anyways, let's just have breakfast and join this class. Well, I finished my class, and this subject is about history of art basically. And I hate history in general, so it was so boring. I also forgot how long was 3 hours. I was literally getting sleepy because I only slept for 4 hours and I was getting bored. But anyways, it finished, luckily. And now I will be eating lunch, which is pesto pasta. Best pasta ever, really recommend it. But after this lunch, I will probably do some work or some chores because since it's so hot outside, it's like 34 Celsius degrees. So I'm waiting till it cools down a bit so I can go out since I cannot stand the summer. I'll probably go to pay the bills at 3, 4 p.m. and then come back at 7 if I'm able to. I also have to do some grocery shopping and some stationery shopping, so it will take me some time. But, anyways, let's just enjoy this lunch. Good morning. So basically, yesterday I actually forgot to record after working basically. But after working, I just played some games, had dinner, and just went to sleep because I was literally so tired. And I woke up late today. I'm running late right now because I have to get ready, have breakfast, and then leave. But it's already 7:55, and I have to leave at 8:15, which is so bad right now. Maybe because I was so tired yesterday, so I just needed the complete sleep. But, anyways, let's just get ready and have breakfast and then leave. Back home, I just finished eating lunch and now I'm eating melon. The thing is, first, when I left home, I had to go down the stairs 16 floors because the elevator wasn't working. And it's literally so hot. So I was sweating since the start. Then I went to the bus stop. I took the bus to the college. Luckily, there was AC in the class, but apart from that, it was so hot. Today, I had 3D design class. I will be learning 3D designing. They give us options to actually learn which program you want to use for the project, and I will probably be using Blender since that's the one that I'm more familiar with and I know some basics. But yeah, tomorrow I will be having like Studio 3, which is, from what I read, it's like making a magazine. But anyways, right now I will just eat melon, watch dramas, and then leave since I have to like go pay other bills I did yesterday and buy some books for my brother. So I will probably be back home at like 5 p.m., 6 p.m. But yeah, I'll see you afterwards. Hi, good morning. It's Friday, the last day of the week of college, and I'm already tired. I feel like it's been already a month of classes, but it's only been 2 days. But yeah, I'm feeling so tired lately, and I don't know why. But, anyways, I just finished getting ready. I just have to do my bag, put on my shoes, and have breakfast, and then leave for college. It's already 8, and I woke up at 7 a.m., which is quite good for the third day. But, anyways, let's just have breakfast and leave straight to college. Hi, I'm back from college, and not gonna lie, the class itself and the teacher was so fun, but I was still feeling sleepy because I couldn't sleep well. But apart from that, I really liked the class. We have to like design books. It was not a magazine. I thought it was a magazine, but we have to like choose from three books he gave us, and from that we have to make a book, like the cover, everything that is inside the book. And we can also be like more creative and do like pop-ups and different kind of papers depending on the style you want to transmit in the book. But yeah, I feel like this subject will be so fun, and I'm actually interested in like designing book covers and all that, so I think this will be very, very fun. But anyways, I'm having lunch right now. I'm having beef and fried rice, which I made like yesterday night. And then afterwards, I need to go buy some things, stationery and some beauty things. And then afterwards, I have to go pay something. You might be thinking I'm always paying bills and all that, but it's like the first week of the month, so we have all the bills right now. But after this week, I don't have to do anything related to bills, and I'm just, focusing on my work and university. But anyways, I'm thinking of like taking a nap after coming back from paying the rent. But we'll see what to do anyways. But right now I will have lunch while watching some videos or dramas, I don't know, and then go to do some work outside. I'm finally back home and I'm so tired. I just want to go to sleep, but I have work to do. So sad. But like today not only was so tiring but also so hot. Like yesterday I had to go, pay the rents, and then I had to like change 2 or 3 buses. It was so chaotic because it's like Friday, it's so hot, there were so many people. And also, before leaving, suddenly the light went off in the building. So the whole day was really not nice. I'm still so hot. Like, literally, I have my fan on and everything. I have my window open, which wind is coming, but like it feels like it's coming hot wind and I'm suffering right now. But yeah, I will be eating dinner right now. Even though I'm not that hungry, I'm just eating like toast and hummus. And afterwards, do some work. Probably, if I'm in the mood, play some games and then just go to sleep. But anyways, I think that is all for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you saw how first days of a graphic design student in Buenos Aires is like. And I will be posting more day in my life videos. Be tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.